Latika, computer teacher in Holy Cross Texas School, Bagadu Sonipat. Today I am going to show my cooking skills to you. Today we will prepare a veg fried rice. Now I will show the ingredients which we require for making the veg fried rice. These are the washed rice. You can wash according to yourself. The quantity you can take according to yourself. This we required, almonds and the cashew nuts we required, raisins we required, and desi ghee we required. If you want to add oil, then you can also opt the oil. The green coriander, bay leaves, cardamom and red chili powder, salt, rice biryani powder and the green coriander, paneer you can say that, and vegetables we required. That onion, tomato, carrot, peas, cabbage, cauliflower, any vegetable you can add according to your taste. Now we will start boiling the rice first. First we will have to boil the rice. After that we will do the chopping of the vegetables. First we have to switch on the gas and add these rice in the water. Slowly you have to add the rice in the water for boiling the rice. See, like I am doing, you have to do like the same. Slowly. There are so many recipes of the fried rice. So you have to, first I am showing my recipe to you. After that, what you have to do, you have to add a little salt in the boiled water. Now, keep this close with this only. After 20 to 25 minutes our rice get boiled, you have to check that 80 to 90% rice boiled we want only. After 2 minutes, you have to stir the rice so that it doesn't get settled down. See, like this I am doing. With the help of spatula you have to do, or with the help of kettle you can do. Now side by side we will do the chopping work of the vegetables. Onion, tomato, cauliflower, cabbage, capsicum, anything you want according to your taste you can add in the rice. Like this I am doing, you have to do the same. After that we have to put the vegetables while doing the stirring work. Chop the vegetables, carrots, beans, cauliflower, cabbage, peas, paneer also you have to cut it in a small slices. Tomato we required for rice biryani. and that onion also we required. This is the green coriander which we use at the time of the garnishing for plating the rice. Almonds and the cashew nuts make a taste good, and raisins also. Salt we required, red chili powder we required, fried rice powder we required, and this is a coriander powder we also required for making. And this is the vinegar. If you want to add, you can add. Actually it make a taste good of the veg fried rice. Last but not least, we required the bay leaves, cardamom and the cloves. This is the ghee which we have to insert. Remember one thing, we have to heat the pan first. After that we have to put the ghee in this. If you want to make it in the oil, then you can make it in the oil also. Now my pan is on heating. After that, see like this. After that you have to put bay leaves, cardamom and that cloves. Little brown you have to do all these things. After that we will add onion, chopped onion. Finally chopped onion you have to add for making the veg fried rice. Now see, the bay leaves and the cardamom, the cloves are going to red. Only brown, little brown you have to do all these ingredients. Now we have to add the chopped onions. Slowly you have to put the chopped onions. Quantity you can add according to yourself. Suppose you are making for the 2 to 3 persons, then only 1 onion is required. Little brown you have to do, only little brown. Like I am stirring like this you have to do stirring work. Hardly 2 to 3 minutes stirring work is required here. Only little brown you have to do. After that you have to add the tomatoes or all the vegetable which you require. Stir up. Toss it. If you are not confident in tossing process, then lift it like this and fold it. Lift it and then fold it. This is also the easy process. If you are not like the tossing process, then you can lift it and toss it. Again and again, we have to do the work of browning the onion. Not too much, only little. Veg fried rice is a quick recipe that you can make. I am stirring in the ghee. You can add oil if you require. You can use the pan. I am using the cauldron. You can use the pan also for making it. Side by side we have to check the rice also, whether it is boiled or not. And remember one thing, 80 to 90% boiling rice we require, not the 100%. Check it with the hand. like this only. It will take hardly 5 minutes. Close it again. Lift it and fold it. Lift and fold. Lift and fold process you have to follow.
Start.
See, now the onions are in the brown form. Not too much brown we have to do. Now we have to add tomatoes. Optional it is. If you want to add, then you can add. Little crunch we have to give in the veg fried rice. As our rice are also soft, so we have to little browning we have to do, not too much. For giving a crunch in the veg fried rice, this we have to follow. Vegetables, chopped and washed vegetables you have to add in this. Cauliflower, cabbage, peas, beans, carrot. According to your taste you can add. Lift it and fold it. If you are confident in tossing, then you can do the tossing also. See, I am doing the lifting and folding. See the color of the vegetables. More we will add. Again stir it. It will take a time. Little crunchy we have to make the vegetables. Lift it and fold it. This is the process which we have to follow. Lift and fold. To 2 minutes. Side by side put little salt in this for making it in a crunchy. Salt according to your taste you have to add. I have added only 1 tablespoon. Stirring process is going on. As I told you, there is no need to do the too much browning of the vegetables. Little only we require for making a crunch in the fried rice. Now we will add this paneer. Slowly, slowly. After that we will add the almonds and the cashew nuts. And this raisins also. For make the taste good. Again we have to lift it and fold it. This we will do hardly for the 2 to 3 minutes. To prefer, not the jeera rice we have to prefer for making a veg fried rice. After that we will add a vinegar in this, or if you want to add the soya sauce you can also add the soya sauce in this. Little vinegar only you have to add. Cardamom, coriander powder, red chili powder according to your taste you have to add. salt. Coriander powder also. This much is required only. Now again lift it and fold it. Get boiled. Now we are on the final step. First we set the one layer of the rice in this. Slowly you have to add. At this time put the gas on the low flame. Now set the one layer of the vegetables, stirring vegetables. Now again you have to set the one layer of the rice. This process is going on and goes. Now we will do the plating. Only with a little hand you have to do the lifting and tossing process at last. After that you have to do the plating. For plating, we will require a mint, green coriander. Now we will do the plating. Yes, I will make a mound of this. See. I will add a green coriander on this for garnishing or for plating, you can say that, like this. Now see, our fried rice are ready to taste. So this is the activity of the fried rice which we have prepared today. Hope you like the taste.